certainly if people are participating in trick-or-treating, I think there's some key public health messages to remember. The most important being that if you're feeling sick or if your child is feeling sick, that you stay home, that you don't participate in trick-or-treating. We continue to emphasize really outdoors is safer than indoors. So if you're trick-or-treating, so remember to stay outdoors, to be spaced from other kids that are not in your household or other groups of kids. So try not to cluster on the doorstep of a house or around a candy bowl, whatever it may be. We are encouraging people to wear masks, and not costume masks, but actual masks kind of approved, whether it be cloth or medical, but approved for preventing spread of COVID-19. And with that, I would just, flag that we're not encouraging people to wear your typical cloth mask and then a costume mask over top. I think we'd like to, we're concerned about, the trying to think of the word to describe it, the discomfort, the heat that could be developed. We are encouraging people to adapt their costume masks around their typical face masks that they'd be wearing at school or at work or other locations around other individuals. And then I think certainly when people get home, wash their hands thoroughly before they're eating anything or taking treats out. If you happen to carry some hand sanitizer while you're out trick-or-treating, use it occasionally, especially if you're touching any other high-touch surfaces, like a I don't know if there was a doorbell or something like that. But I think that there's certainly ways to participate in trick-or-treating safely this year. And I know that kids are likely really looking forward to it. With regards to Halloween parties, these sorts of things, just a reminder that we're still in step 3 of our phased reopening under the Reopening Ontario Act. And so there are limitations on the number of individuals that can gather indoors. And so would remind people to be cognizant of what those are. And to, if you're gathering with folks that are outside of your household, to wear a mask indoors, try to socially distance, and just be aware of all of your routine public health measures that we mention every week.